Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you all how to create a Uber Eats account. Before we start our video, in order to create your Uber Eats account, the first thing that you're going to need to do is install your Uber Eats app. You can install your Uber Eats app from the Play Store. Uber Eats is an app that allows you to order food from all the restaurants around that are listed on the Uber Eats. Now, without any further ado, let's get right into our video. The first thing we're going to do is open our Uber Eats app. Here, as you can see, right after opening our Uber Eats app, we'll be on the page where it is said get started with Uber Eats. On the below, you'll be able to see the option continue. Tap on it. Once you have tapped on continue, here you'll be able to see your phone number. If you would like to continue with another phone number, you can simply tap on none of the above. For now, I will be continuing with the following phone number. Once you have typed in your phone number, here you'll have to tap on continue. Here you'll also be able to see various options such as continue with Google, continue with Facebook, continue with email address. You can use these options to create your Uber Eats account. Here right beside the phone number, you can choose your country. Once you're done, here you'll have to tap on continue. After tapping on continue, you'll receive a 4-digit code on your SMS. The 4-digit code is auto-directed, so as you saw on the screen, it directly takes you to another page. Here you'll have to type in your email address. Once you have typed in your email address, tap on next. Once again, you'll get a 4-digit code on your email address. Here, in order to check your email address, you'll have to open your Gmail app. Once you have opened your Gmail app, here on the very top, as you can see, there's a Uber notification. Here I have received a verification code from Uber. If you don't happen to see the notification from Uber, you should also go ahead and check the spam folders. For now, the verification code, I will remember it and type the verification code here. And with that, here, as you can see, you have successfully created your Uber Eats account. That was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to create your Uber Eats account. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.